Hello and welcome in class 3 mathematics. Let's start chapter 8 money, and today's topic is subtraction of money. Example here given. For the subtraction of money, money can be added and subtracted as it is you add simple numbers. Okay, here subtract rupees 81.77, it means 77 paise, from rupees 118 paise. Okay, so 100 rupees and 18 paise is greater than to 81 rupees and 77 paise, na? So subtract 81 rupees 77 paise from 100 rupees 18 paise. Here's the step given. So here the first step, arrange the rupees and paise column respectively as it is you do in addition now. So subtract the amount in paise column first, then after borrow rupees 1 here. If you subtract 8 minus 7 here 1, then here 1 minus 7, not now, so just borrow from here and you get 11 minus 7, 4. Okay. Then after it makes as 9, so 9 minus 1, 8. Then after again here 10 minus 8 given, but it's 9 because here 10 gives the borrows to this place and this gives borrows to the tens place. So 10 makes as 9 and here 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Now just see again the exercises for the clear explanation. 8C. Subtract the following amounts of money. So here already arranged in rupees and paise column. So first subtract paise column. Okay. From the right hand side. Okay. So here the right hand side given 0 minus 8. So 0 is less than to 8 now. So just borrow from the tens place, that is 2. So after giving to borrow, it's less minus 1, it makes us 1. After subtracting 1, okay, then after it makes us 10 now. Okay, so getting borrow from this number, it makes us 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Here 1 now, so 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, now here again 0, just borrow from their side, but it's also 0, so borrow from here and it makes us 0. And here it's 10 na? So here 0 makes us 9. Okay, and it's 10. So 10 minus 9, 1, and 9 minus 2, 7. 71 rupees and 2 paise. Now 1 is less than to 9, so 11 minus 9, 2. Here it makes us 0, so borrow from here and it makes us 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, so here it makes us also 1. So 1 minus 1 can be subtracted now? 0. Then 8 minus 5, 3. 30 rupees and 82 paise. Now 9 minus 9, 0. Here borrow from here and it makes us 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here it's 3. And here 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 323 rupees and 90 paise. Now come here. Here 60 rupees 00 paise, 31 rupees and 13 paise. So here 0 minus 3 not, so just borrow from here and it's also 0. Comes here, it's also 0, so comes here and it gives borrow to the next number and it makes us 10. Then after giving to the borrow this number, it makes us, and here it makes us 10, but giving borrowing to the side, it makes us also 9, and here it's 10. So 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 1, 8, and 5 minus 3, 2. So 28 rupees and 87 paise. Now again, just subtract it. 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 18 minus 9, 9, and it makes us 4. No? After giving borrowing to the 8. Here 11 minus 5, no? 6. Here it's 9. So 9 minus 2, 7. It's 7. So because 7 is less than to 8, so taking borrow from this side, and 17. Then after it's 9. Here it's 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 39 rupees and 76 paise. And here 7, 2, 0, 3, 6. Here 8 minus 2, 6. 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. Here it's 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. Here 0 na. So 0 or 0 is less than to 1. So it makes us 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And it's 1. 1 minus 1. So here is the question number 2 of exercise 8C. Find the difference between rupees 75 and 80 paise and rupees 29 and 21 paise. So what we do first? First make a 2 column of rupees and paise. Okay. Write rupees as 75 in rupees column. Then after in paise column write 80. Here 29. Here 21. Subtract it. 10 minus 1, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. 14 minus, no, so here it's 5, right? So 15 minus 9, here 6. Okay, 7 minus 2, not na, here makes 6. So 6 minus 2, it's 4. Okay, so 46 rupees and 59 paise. Now next, rupees 19 and 82 paise and rupees 9 and 17 paise. Subtract it. First make rupees and paise column as it is above. Then after subtract from the right side, that is paise column. 12 minus 7 you get 5. Then after here 7, so 7 minus 1, 6. Here 9 minus 9, 0 na, and here 1. So 10 rupees and 65 paise is the answer. Now see, rupees 205 and 65 paise, and here 112 rupees and 52 paise. So make 2 column. Then after write here numeric number. Okay, so here 112 rupees and 52 paise. Subtraction symbol. Then after 5 minus 2 you get 3, 6 minus 5 you get 1. Here make decimal point. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 10 minus 1, 9, and 1 minus 1, 0. So 93 rupees and 13 paise. Try D yourself. Okay. Subtract it here. Sorry. Here. 407 rupees from rupees 823 and 77 paise. So again makes 2 column, and which is greater than next number. Here 823 rupees is greater than 407 na? So write here as it is. Then after 407 and here 00 paise. Subtract it, and what you get? See, 7 minus 0, 7. Here again 7. Decimal point. 13 minus 7, 6. Here 1. 8 minus 4, 4. 416 rupees and 77 paise. Now here we again make rupees and paise column. Write here 300 and here 10 paise. Then after here 203 rupees and here 22 paise. Now subtract it with symbol of subtraction. Here 10 minus 2, 8. Here 1 na? So after giving to borrow it makes a 0. So 10 minus 2 again it's 8. Then after here 0 makes us 9. So 9 minus 3, 6. Here 9. Here 2 minus 2, 0, because it's giving borrowing to this number. Then after it gives borrow to this number, and at last it gives borrow to this number, where is 0. After giving to the borrow this number. Okay, so 96 rupees and 88 paise. Try C and D with yourself and done whole exercises.